Here's my Sony avc-3400. I got the handle somewhere. It's in pretty nice shape. Everything works about it. Zoom, focus, it's really nice. Really nice quality, really nice everything. It's got a huge mic on the front. And then on the back here, you got your CRT viewfinder. I'm gonna turn on the VCR. It's worth it. So, as you can see, the picture works. It's really nice, considering this is from 1969. This was sold with the AV-3400 or the AV-8400, whichever one. The AV-8400 was a color unit, but you needed separate adapters to use that with. I also have the 8400, but it doesn't work at all. But I'm glad the camera does. As you can see, there's barely any scratches, there's barely any scuffs. And so, on the front here, you have your recording start stop button. When you engage it, the red light comes on the back. So here's your handle. So you would have this on the bottom of your camera. Let me show you that. Here's the camera with the handle on. So it's got these two stilts here. And so you could put this down on a flat surface, but it doesn't actually, I don't know why they made it that way. Just because it doesn't actually sit down entirely flat. It does that. The tripod plate is on, so it's a bit wonky, but it's just about that. So the handle here, do you see the start stop switch moving? It engages that and disengages that. And it's just really clunky. It feels very nice quality. I opened this up and there's just tied up bundles of wire. There's one big circuit board on the one end here, and then you just have the tube here, which is really weird. And you have a lot of wires that are tied up using string. Here's a photo of them, of the inside. It's really weird. Just, why would they design it that way? I have no clue. But the last thing is, that microphone, that does not need to be that big. It could have just been a very tiny microphone, but they decided to use this big one. I'm not sure why it's that big. Also, this is a removable C-mount lens. You can remove it like so, like that. You can see inside of it. It has a manual aperture, so there's no automation there. So all you get now is just the face of the tube. So you can actually take off this ring here, and you can just see that this is built like an absolute monster. This is all metal here. There's no getting into that unless you had to try. I'm not sure how you could break this. But that's just about it. This camera was made in 1969. This is the second portable video camera ever made. And that is just about it.